What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I'm finna do a challenge that I ain't did in a fuck it, in a long time. But I had an idea to do the hot noodle challenge, so I'm finna do it. You know what I'm saying? The hot noodle challenge. You feel me? So I'm not finna do too much talking. We finna dive in and see what it is. But I'm gonna talk to y'all as I do it. Uh, Stay tuned. Alright. These some hot noodles, by the way. Excuse me. Make sure y'all comment down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give 10 likes on this video. And I'll do another eating one. Okay? But I just don't understand. When you make noodles, they don't be even hot. I'm doing a quick shout out too for myself. In a few more days, like in the next 2 weeks, it's gonna be my birthday on June 17th. So if y'all have any ideas for me, comment down below in the subscription, and I'll be checking to see who commented or not. But yeah, you know, I'm just trying to have a blast. You know what I'm saying? Cause coronavirus, is trying to still stop us from doing what we gotta do. But in a sense, you gotta bring the fun to you. You know what I'm saying? Your noodles are kind of spicy though. Ooh, ooh. Anyway, yeah. Okay. But if any of y'all new to YouTube, Uh, I got another channel. It's called Slick C, but I don't give my government name out. You know what I'm saying? I don't let that be known to nobody. You know what I'm saying? Because you know how people live. They be like, "Oh, who is this?" and "What he doing on YouTube?" and all this and that. I don't want that. I just be chilling. You feel me? I be hanging out with my boys and stuff. You know what I'm saying? But in a sense, you know, we be having fun with my godmom too. You know, I could care. I can care less about the coronavirus because as long as I'm still doing me, doing my thing, I could really care less. I could care less about everything except for my boo thing. You heard me? Um, comment down below if you want me to do the next video with me on the phone with my girl. But yeah, if I get five subscribers, I would do that video. Like literally. But yeah, just just hit me up on Instagram, Snapchat. It's gonna be down below in the description. Look at that. Look at this, guys. And see my hungry hippo fishies. They so hungry. They real hungry. I'm gonna feed them when I get done doing this, you feel me? But that's all for the video. Stay tuned and make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. And this is all for the video. Alright.